Hello guys, in this video I am just going to explain how to use your controller, okay, on another switch 2 or another switch controller as a mouse. Okay, it's very simple. So how to use it? For that, right, on your home screen you can see this Joy controllers, okay, Joy-Con controllers. Here just tap it, and here how to use mouse controls. Here you can see that. So here I need to tap it. So I'm going to give next. You can read the guides and instructions. So now you can use as a mouse, okay. Next, okay, actually I need to take it out. So here I'm just going to keep it here. Next, see, now it's working like a mouse. Wow. See, for the drop down I am using arrow, okay, and so now I am selecting it, and then I am using the click, okay. For the right click I am using this R button. Yes, that's it friends. Now I can use as a mouse. I am giving OK. That's it friends. Now I can use like a mouse. Double click, insert the game card. So I need to insert the game. So now I can use as a mouse. So here again click on settings. I can enable or disable. Okay. So Bluetooth audio, you can connect. So that's it friends. This is the way you can use your Joy-Con controller as a mouse. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to me in the form. Thank you. Bye. Take care.